Welcome, colleagues. Today we present a unique concept of combining the autonomous dental equipment, no stress. The device is absolutely independent of connected air, vacuum, water and sewage networks. A comfortable patient chair and professional dental lighting will perfectly complement your working space. Would like to draw your attention to the devices of the Galit company own production. Galit Cut Autonom Doctor Console and Mobisac Combi Mobile Assistant Console. The no-stress solution will save not only your money, but also time and effort. We have thought through the concept to the smallest details. The no-stress solution is exactly what you need.